What if I told you as time as you know it is not real? At least not in the way you think it is. You wake up, check the time, make a schedule, feel the pressure of deadlines, remember the past and fear the future. But the time ticking in your head, on your wall, in your phone, is not how time works in the realm of the divine. This is Islamic Divine Paradox. And today, we're diving deep into time isn't what you think. Divine time versus human time. Time feels like a line. Past, present, future, a straight road with no return. But that's the human experience. That's your perception, not Allah's. The Qur'an breaks this illusion again and again. In Surah Al-Hajj, Surah 22, verse 47, Allah says, "A day with your Lord is like 1,000 years of what you count." This verse dismantles human arrogance. It reminds us, the ticking of our clocks is irrelevant in the divine dimension. We count time in hours, days, decades, but Allah is beyond counting. He is not in time. Time is in Him. Let's pause. What does it mean for Allah to be timeless? It means Allah is not waiting. He doesn't remember the past or anticipate the future. Everything is present before Him, all at once. In Surah Fusilat, Surah 41, verse 54, Allah says, "Indeed, He encompasses all things." This includes time. He sees your birth, your death, your choices, your destiny, in one eternal now. While you ask, why hasn't my prayer been answered yet? Allah sees not just your request, but its consequences, 10 years from now, 100 years from now. He acts not in haste, but with perfect knowledge. Because you are within it. Imagine a fish in the ocean. It doesn't see water, but it lives because of it. In the same way, you exist in time, but you don't fully understand it. Time, for us, creates learning, growth, regret, hope. It creates the space for choice. But for Allah, there is no learning curve. No wait and see. Only wisdom that sees the entire canvas at once. In Surah Al-An'am, Surah 6, verse 59, Allah says, "Nothing is hidden from Him in the heavens and the earth, not even a leaf falls without His knowledge. Every event and in your past or future is already part of His divine plan. Your delay is not His neglect. It's part of your timeline, not His." Let's go deeper. How does this affect our understanding of Qadr, destiny? Many ask, if Allah knows everything ahead of time, do I really have free will? Here's the paradox. Allah knows the choices you will make, but you still choose them. Why? Because Allah's knowledge doesn't cause your action. It simply contains it. Imagine a person watching a recorded football match. They know who wins, but their knowledge didn't cause the victory. It only observes it from outside time. This is how the divine sees your story. Already written, yet fully yours to live. In Surah Al-Qamar, Surah 54, verse 49, Allah declares, "Indeed, all things we created with Qadr, precise measure. Every moment is written with wisdom, even the waiting." You pray, you cry, you wait, and nothing happens, or so you think. But what if Allah's silence isn't denial, but precision? In Surah Al-Imran, Surah 3, verse 145, Allah says, "No soul can die except by Allah's permission at a decree determined." Even death, in the moment you fear most, is precisely timed. Not a second early, not a second late. So why do we despair when things don't happen our way, on our schedule? Because we confuse control with care. But Allah is not careless. He is Al-Hakim, the wise. He gives when the giving is best. This dunya, this world, runs on temporary time. Moments vanish, people fade, memories rot. But the akhirah, the hereafter, runs on eternal time. No hours, no aging, no death. In Surah Al-Kahf, Surah 18, verse 110, Allah reminds us, "Whoever hopes to meet his Lord, let him do righteous deeds and associate none with him in worship." Why? Because your limited time is your only chance to enter timeless peace. So the next time you're anxious, running against the clock, remember this: you live in time, but Allah doesn't, and His timing is never wrong. This is the divine paradox. And perhaps time is not running out. It's running towards your return, to the one who has always waited, outside time. Subscribe to Islamic Divine Paradox. Unlock the truths that live beyond time.